So now we're going to take a look at the equations of circles. Remember, the circle is the set of all points that are a fixed distance from the center. Let's call the center of our circle x0, y0. And then, of course, that fixed distance from the center is the radius. And that's out here. So what I did was I took a general point on the circle, x comma y, and I did the distance formula between x0, y0, set it equal to the radius. So then if you square both sides of this equation, the square and the square root cancel out on the right, and you get x minus x0 squared plus y minus y0 squared is equal to r squared. And that's our equation standard form for a circle. So in example 8 here, we want to find the equation of the circle with the center -1, 3 and radius 3. So this is telling us that our x0 is -1, our y0 is 3, and r equals 3. So we'll go ahead and plug in here. So we have x minus x0, so x minus -1 squared plus y minus y0 is 3, and that guy gets squared, and it equals r squared, 3 squared. Okay, so there's our equation of circle. Now, sometimes you'll see these equations all multiplied out. We'll leave them in factored form here if we can, unless we need to change them to something else. Now, the only thing that we might do to simplify real quick here is change our double negative to a positive. So you got x plus 1 squared plus y minus 3 squared equals 3 squared. So let's look at another example here. In example 9, we want to find the equation of the circle with center -2, 1, and it goes through the point 0, 1. So our equation here is x minus x0 squared plus y minus y0 squared is equal to r squared. And the center is -2, 1, so that is our x0, y0. And then passing through the point 0, 1. So this is a point x comma y that's on the circle. And what we can do is, these 2 points are on the circle, the distance between them has to be the radius. So that's going to give our r. So we'll use the distance formula on these 2 points. So our radius here is going to be the square root of second x minus first x squared, so 0 minus -2 squared, plus second y minus first y squared, so I did subtraction this way. It actually doesn't matter which way you do it, as long as you can do them both the same. So we got 1 minus 1 squared. So that's 2 squared, 4, and this is a 0. This is just root 4, which is 2. So now we know our radius is 2, so we know x0, y0, and r. We go ahead and plug them in. So x is our variable, minus our x0, -2. That gets squared, plus y minus y0 is 1. That gets squared, equals our radius of 2, and that gets squared. And again, there's our formula in standard form. And we might go ahead and just real quick change that double negative to a positive.